Hey, brother, let's talk about something that you were never taught and probably never shown. What it's really like to stand in your masculine energy, because right now you're feeling shaky. You feel like you're walking on eggshells, like your wife is angry and cold and distant. Maybe she's already gone. And every move you make feels like it's not enough or it's too much. You've tried to be softer and agreeable and helpful, and all it's done is make you feel smaller, like you've lost something important. And quite honestly, you have. You've lost your center, that solid, grounded part of you that doesn't chase, that doesn't collapse, that doesn't need her to tell you who you are. That's your masculine frame, your presence. You see, masculine energy isn't loud or dominating or controlling. It's calm. It's the stillness in a storm, the strength that says, I've got this. When a man is in his masculine energy, he doesn't lead through force or fear. He leads through clarity and calm, through quiet, unshakable confidence. He doesn't need her agreement to know his truth. He doesn't need constant affection to feel worthy. He doesn't need to perform to prove anything because he knows who he is. He can feel it in his posture, in his words, in his decision. He doesn't push, he doesn't pull, he stands. And that's the kind of man, that kind of energy that's magnetic. That's what makes you attractive. It's what makes her feel safe. It makes you feel proud, and it makes you feel free. When you're in your masculine energy, you don't lead by force. You're led by being rooted in your values and your clarity in your truth. If you don't feel that right now, that's okay. It doesn't mean that you're broken. You're just buried under a fear and people pleasing and self doubt and exhaustion. Most men were never shown how to stay grounded under pressure and how to stand tall when everything feels like it's falling apart. But that doesn't mean that it's gone. It just means that it needs to be reclaimed. Hi, I'm Charlie McKeever, your happy man coach, and masculine energy isn't something that you force. It's something that you remember, and you don't remember it alone. Book a private happy man coaching call with me, and let's cut to the heart of what's really going on. Let's get clear about what you really want for yourself and your marriage. After the call, I guarantee you that you'll feel calmer and more confident and grounded, knowing that you don't need anyone else's approval to be the man you were born to be. In addition to a phone call, I'll also introduce you to a community of men who are reclaiming themselves and their masculine energy every day. Remember, you're not alone. I'll also tell you how you can join our weekly group calls. So if you're ready to feel like the vibrant, alive, happy man again that you are, book that call and let's talk soon.